we explain why hyperparameters and what are the hyperparameters with reference to k-means clustering?
Thank you, Nitin. Good evening, everyone. And thanks for that question. We were discussing about various things yesterday, and one of the important aspects that we were trying to touch base was the hyperparameters. I mean, as the definition says, hyperparameters are the options, the parameters that we pass to the functionalities that we are using in Python to alter the way the execution happens on the data. It would be the same clustering algorithm, k-means algorithm itself. But if I choose to define that, hey, I don't want 8 clusters, I want, let's say, 3 clusters. So the entire calculation is altered by dividing the data into 3 groups. Right? So hyperparameters are very, very important for any algorithm to tune them.
You are trying to say something?
Yeah, I request you to please check the messages as well, both Sharath and Nitin. That's a request so that we don't miss out on certain communication aspects, please. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah. So I was speaking about the hyperparameters. And when we talk about these hyperparameters, the point is that there are a lot of options that we can try and alter, and based on the changes that we give, we get different results as the the final outcome basically will be different. And every time when we alter the parameter option, the result that we get will be evaluated for understanding whether that the result is more optimum or not. And the parameters and all those things are being made available for you people. This is the solution. I mean, this is the small cheat sheet that you can use. This is with respect to k-means clustering. The functionality, this is a sklearn package, and this is the library. And this library contains the set of functions, I mean, parameters. So what is each of this parameter used for, and what are the default options that are given for each of this parameter is also explained here. You can see this is the N clusters basically talk about the number of clusters that we want to define or ensure that we get those number of clusters on our data. INIT, this is initialization method. And here we can use, again, a random technique for k-means clustering or k-means plus plus technique. The default option is k-means plus plus technique, which basically selects the initial cluster centroids using a specialized technique. Now, if you want to further read about what exactly that additional technique is, you can go through this documentation and try to learn and increase your knowledge on what does this k-means clustering, k-means plus plus logic means, what does random means, what other opportunities we have for altering these parameters. And this information is being made available for you all in the 360-digit-mg website. Here under learning resources, we have the option of cheat sheets. This cheat sheets will be made available for you. And as and how we keep discussing about more and more concepts, with respect to those concepts, the cheat sheets will be updated here, and you can access this section and use these cheat sheets as quick reference for your preparation purpose as well. So it's available here on the website 360digitmg.com, and then we have cheat sheet section under learning resources tab. Yes, so this is basically about the cheat sheets and the hyperparameters.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Sharath.